So today I'm doing more stuff in Windows 11. Uh, I have this comment from Antonio Monteiro, as you can see over here. You know you cannot move the taskbar, right? Hmm. Even with the license key. Yep. But some people say they will probably change that soon in some update. Okay, I see that. So I think there is a re-headed to force it. I can hide it. I can just move it to another area of the screen, I guess. Okay. So thanks Antonio Monteiro for helping me with this. So there is a hack to come over that, but man, I just wanted to use Windows 11. I didn't want to become a hacker. I'm not going to hack it today. I'm just going to move my stream environment to Windows 11. Well, at least that's what I'm trying. Okay. Do I remember my password? Jack WinPC. Here it is. Hmm. Looking good already. So let's use the search over here. Let's start for OBS Studio. Okay. I guess I will click over here. So my first task here in Windows 11 is what I I thought I removed. Well, not remove. I thought I installed Google Chrome. Oh, here it is. Thank you. Not using Edge. I don't want to use Edge. I rather use in Firefox. But you know, I will use Google because it's what most of people use. OBS Studio. What? OBS Studio. Here. Why is this in Spanish? So it says it's compatible with 8 and 10. Doesn't say 11 yet at this moment, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Okay, now it's downloading. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. Well, while that's recording, um, I want to I want to get something similar to screen keys to lock my keys in the screen. So I guess we minimize this, and no, we don't minimize this. We just open another tab over here. I guess I'm forgetting how to use a web browser. The repository is Carnac. If someone is interested on this. Okay. The interface looks kind of rare. I like something with a low real estate, like it doesn't take a lot of real estate here in the bottom right corner of the screen. Oh, I think this is the package. I'm gonna click on this. I don't know what it will do. Oh, it's just downloading. And now both installers. Well, this is not an installer. This is this is an executable, and this is an installer. Both of them are ready. So let's open the this first one. Showing folder. Yeah, this is expected behavior. What I'm used to in Linux. I think I should decompress or extract maybe. Is there okay, extract all. Where? No, I wanted to extract it in. Let me browse. Let me browse documents. Mm, or maybe the desktop, not document. Documents will be just fine. Select folder and backslash. Okay, I need to get used to this. And car, what's the name of the repository? Carnac. Carnac. And I extract that over there. Okay. Release. Is there an executable over here? I think it's this one. Okay. Yes, it is here. It is here. Yep. It shows me the corners, and I think it's this corner. Okay. Something about there. Hello world. Hello, hello. Okay. It is a beautiful application. I'm using this. Thank you, Boris Fisher. Thank you, Boris Fisher, for this application. Quite handy. So let's start with OBS now. We can close this. And here it is. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Of course. I guess next. I'm not a good reader. Sorry. So, new general public license. I guess install. And it is done. Finish. I hope it doesn't bring any problem. I think I will have to get a dedicated GPU for this VirtualBox with Windows 11 in order to get OBS working. Um, you know, to conclude over here, I'm just a Linux user, and I don't have like all the budget required to buy a new machine just for installing Windows 11 and buying a new graphics card. And mm, I don't have that budget. Sorry, I'm not like a big YouTube channel, like these guys of Linux Tech Tips and other channels, other YouTube channels. I'm just a simple guy, a poor guy that happens to be using Linux like for 7 years. I'm going to try to get around this by installing another graphics card. I think I have one hanging around somewhere over here. And but that's going to be for the next video. Thank you for your time, guys.